Hey again everyone, Mr. Power here and welcome back to the lab. So today we're going to do something different. We're not going to do a practical, but we are going to go through something that a lot of students think is quite difficult. Today, we're going to go over balancing equations. Now, this is something that you might get in a question on an assessment. This is how we balance an equation for the formation of water. So we have hydrogen, we have oxygen, and we have water. The first thing to note is that these bottom numbers, these subscripts, can never be changed. Leave them the way they are. Second thing to note is that if we're doing a balanced equation, we need our state symbols. So we come over to our first one, hydrogen. We know hydrogen is a gas. Come over to oxygen. We know oxygen is a gas. And we come over to water. We know water is a liquid. Okay? Now, when we look at this, remember, we never change these bottom numbers. These twos and these blanks, we never change them. Leave them the way they are. But what we are going to do is we're going to try to fill in these missing coefficients here. And the best thing to do, in my way, is to create almost like a seesaw. We want the same number of each element on the left side as the right side. So let's try that now. So as you see, all I've done is I've identified what elements we have on both sides. For me, I did hydrogen, I did oxygen, I did hydrogen, I have oxygen. And now I fill in what I know. There's that little 2 here. Now that means that there's 2 hydrogens here, just like it means there's 2 oxygens over here. Hydrogens, we have 2 hydrogens, and there's nothing here, so we say that that's a 1. Okay? But, we are not balanced. So what are we going to do? We have to get the same on both sides. Now remember, the only way to change these is by using the coefficients. We never add a bottom number. So the only way to get this to be the same as over here is if we change this to a 2. But now this also works with the hydrogen. So there's 2 of 2 hydrogens, which means that now there's a total of 4 hydrogens. And over here, this now becomes a 2. So now our oxygens are balanced. But now we have the problem of the hydrogens. So again, easiest way to do this is look at our 2. How do we get it to be the 4? Multiply that by 2. If we multiply that by 2, this now becomes a 4. And now 4 hydrogens on the left, 4 hydrogens on the right. Check. 2 oxygen on the left, 2 oxygen on the right. Check. All done.